Hello, welcome. Another episode on BECE 2022. We have question 20 and 21 in this episode. Peter had 200 Ghana cedis and spent 83 Ghana cedis. What percentage of the money is left? So this is a percentage. If you are asked to find a percentage, you are asked to first express the quantities given in the question as a fraction, then you multiply by 100%. So what are the two quantities are we trying to find now? We are looking for the money left out of the money we had, the original money. How much do we have before we spend this? So we need to express the money left as a fraction to the money we had. Then we multiply by 100%. So I am only going to say money left or amount left. Let me use money. Is going to be the amount we have at hand minus the amount we are spending. Let me put it here, 83. So if you subtract, this will be borrow from here 1, 9, then that give you what? 10. So 7, here will be 1, 1. We're left with 100 and what? 70 Ghana cedis left. So you're looking for percentage. So percentage of money left is the money left 117 divided by the money we have at hand 200 times the 100%. So we know these two zeros can easily be cancelled since this is a numerator, this is a denominator. So you're left with only 117 divided by 2. How do we do that? We can do long division, no problem. Let's take it 117. So 1, 1, that is 11. So 2 dividing 11, that will be 5 times with a remainder of 1. That is 5 to 10. We subtract, you get this. Then let's bring down the 7. How many times will 2 go into 17? That will be 8 times, right? 8 to 16. The remainder will be 1. The digit finished, so we introduce a decimal point and add 0. So 2 will be going into this place 5 times. So that will give us our answer to be 58.5%. So the percentage of money left is going to be 58.5%. I guess the concept is clear. All right, let's tackle the 21. So number 21, given that P is a point having the coordinate to be 3 and minus 2, Q is having the coordinate of minus 2 and 4. These are the points in the plane. We are asked to find the gradient of the line joining the P and Q. We know gradient is going to be the change on the y-axis over the change on the x-axis. This is what we have, the change. It could be y1 minus y2, x1 minus x2. You will still come back to the same answer. So how do we get those values? You can see that this is the first point, P, Q. So this is our x1, y1, x2, y2. So we are beginning from P all the way to Q. So our gradient will be nothing but y2, which will be 4, minus y1, which will be minus 2. We are saying y1, y2. Then x2, minus 2 minus x1, that will be 3. Don't forget this negative will become positive. So we become 4 plus 2. That will give us 6. Then minus 2 minus 3 will give us what? Minus 5. So we have minus 5. So this becomes the gradient of the line joining the point P, Q. Don't forget, it could also be negative in front, 6 divided by 5, like this, or the negative in the numerator, positive in the denominator, or just the way I saying this one. Any way you put it, your answer will be the same. I guess you're on the same course. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye bye.